Hungary is facing one of its most significant outbreaks of severe weather this summer, as a series of powerful supercell thunderstorms swept across large parts of the country, bringing destructive hail, torrential rain, intense lightning, and damaging winds. The most dramatic scenes emerged from southern Hungary, where entire communities found themselves under relentless assault from multiple storm cells. In several locations, hail accumulated so heavily that streets, gardens, and agricultural fields appeared to be covered in snow, creating an extraordinary mid-June landscape more commonly associated with winter than the beginning of summer. Among the hardest-hit areas was Pörböly, where residents woke to a surreal sight after a violent hailstorm blanketed the ground in thick layers of ice. Videos from the area showed people using shovels to clear hail from roads and properties, highlighting the unusual intensity of the storm. Agricultural fields and vegetation suffered extensive damage as large hailstones battered crops during the height of the event. The city of Baja also experienced a dangerous sequence of supercell thunderstorms. Witnesses reported that as one storm moved away, another quickly developed and advanced into the region, producing additional rounds of hail, heavy rainfall, and severe weather. Some videos captured hailstones falling with remarkable intensity, while powerful downdrafts, known as downbursts, unleashed strong winds across the city. Elsewhere in Baranya County, including Baksa and surrounding communities, severe hailstorms caused widespread concern. Residents described scenes of extensive damage as hail pounded homes, vehicles, and farmland. Local observers said some villages were among the worst affected areas of the storm outbreak. In Tolna County, communities such as Tevel and Kormend were struck directly by supercell activity. Residents reported intense rainfall, accompanied by hail within a very short period. In some locations, significant precipitation fell in less than an hour, overwhelming drainage systems and creating hazardous travel conditions. Meteorologists have been closely monitoring the outbreak, warning that atmospheric conditions across Hungary remain highly unstable. Supercells are among the most powerful types of thunderstorms and are capable of producing giant hail, destructive straight-line winds, flash flooding, and occasionally tornadoes. Forecast models suggested that additional storms could develop south of existing storm systems, posing further risks to southern and southeastern parts of the country. The severe weather was not limited to southern Hungary. In the northeast, Fehérgi Armat and Jankmaitis experienced intense thunderstorms with heavy rain and frequent lightning. In western Hungary, Körmend reported heavy hail accumulation that once again transformed roads and open areas into scenes resembling a winter storm. Meanwhile, Herend was struck by torrential rainfall and a powerful downburst event, generating strong winds capable of causing localized damage. Weather radar throughout the outbreak showed rapidly intensifying storm cores across several regions. Lightning detection networks recorded frequent electrical activity as thunderstorms evolved and strengthened. Emergency services and local authorities continued to monitor conditions, while residents were urged to remain alert for rapidly changing weather. For many communities, the greatest concern now is the impact on agriculture. Large hailstones can devastate crops within minutes, threatening harvests and causing significant economic losses. Reports from affected rural areas suggest that some fields may have sustained severe damage after repeated rounds of hail. As cleanup operations begin, the storm outbreak serves as another reminder of the growing challenges posed by extreme weather across Europe. From ice-covered streets in Pörböly to hail-battered neighborhoods in Baja and flood-prone communities elsewhere in Hungary, residents are assessing the damage left behind by a remarkable and destructive episode of severe summer weather. Authorities continue to monitor forecasts closely as the risk of additional thunderstorms remains present across parts of the region.